Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create and add a email signature or HTML signature on your Gmail. So I already have a email signature in my computer. As you can see that I already opened the signature in my computer and I already created this signature before. I will show you how you can add this signature to your Gmail and create this kind of similar HTML signature or other parent signature. So first of all we need to go to Gmail, then you need to click see all setting. Then if you scroll down you will see there is an option called signature. So I'm scrolling down and as you can see the signature option here. So first of all we need to give a name to the signature. So I am going to give a name this as a new. So this is my I'm going to add the signature for this mail, marketing at nexttargetlines.com. So if you have multiple email in your Gmail, you have to choose the right one, which one you where you want to add the signature. So I'm going to add the signature for this mail. So I chose the this mail, and then let me delete it so I can create it again for you. Then I can create new. I give it a name, create, and then it should be marketing. As you can see this box is empty, there is nothing here. So you can add a insert a signature, insert the image, or you can copy as a plain text signature and paste it here by click paste. So as you can see this is my signature. I already open it. So all you need to do, Ctrl A and select all these text, or you can double click all these text and click copy, and then you need to paste it here. So once you paste it there, you will see this image signature already copy here, and you need to make sure the right mail you choose. So I need to also that for new email use, also when someone reply the mail, I also need when to add a signature. I click new on replay mail. So then I click save changes. So I already add the signature, so let's test it. So if I choose the my marketing mail and marketing mail, you will see this the signature is not come up because we did not. Let me show you why it's not come up. So if you go to the signature, as you can see new signature. So insert the signature before quote. So I need to what I need to do, I need to click the new for new email use. As you can see, for new email use I have to choose the new, that I give the name. Then also on signature I need to click new. So it's for marketing. Okay, so new, and then click save changes. So if I click the new marketing mail, you will see that the mail is the signature already added. So that's all.